types of articles, types of researches. In 2018, about 2.5 million articles are published in more than 28,000 different scientific journals. And this is only English papers and peer-reviewed journals. And if you need to find the right article, you should know about the types of articles. There are two major types of articles: original papers and reviews. Original papers are those that the researcher gathered the data and analyzed it, while reviews are those articles that review a bunch of original papers. Original papers are either qualitative or quantitative. In qualitative studies, the researcher observes a situation and gives her or his opinion. Therefore, two different researchers can have two different opinions about the same subjects. But quantitative studies are different. They deal with measuring and calculation, or as it is called, statistics. So, let's take a look at quantitative studies that, based on methodology, can be divided into four different groups: cross-sectional, case control, cohort, and randomized control trials, or RCT. Cross-sectional study is an observational study that analyzes data at a specific point in time. It's like reporting a car accident by looking at a picture from the scene, which is a cross-section of time. By this, you may explain the scene, but you cannot say which car is the cause of accident. Therefore, we call cross-sectional studies descriptive. The other type of observational studies is case control, which is a good design for studying the rare diseases. And by matching the cases with control group, we can study their past history to find the risk factors for that disease. Therefore, case control studies are called analytic, as well as cohort and RCT. Cohort studies are also observational. In cohort, we start with a group of people who are at risk for a specific condition. And by studying them during a time period, to see who is developing the disease, we can find out the risk factors. And finally, randomized control trials, which is interventional, which means the researcher intervenes and modifies the factors on a group of people who are suffering from a condition. And by following them during a time period, can study the effect of intervention on their health. Thank you for listening.